So, here's how to find perfect domain names with Chatgpt. It's quite simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and go to Chatgpt website. Now make Chatgpt ready to write some good domain names by writing. Suggest me some good.com domain names for my website. I will provide you the category of my website. Then provide category of your website and number of domain suggestions you want. Also write the number of words you want in your domain name. Now Chatgpt is writing 50.com domain names with 2 words related to the category of your website: Healthy Vita, Fit Wellness, Pure Well, Active Pulse, etc. If you want more domain name suggestion, then write 50 more like this. Chatgpt generated 50 more domain names. Now if you want a little longer domain name, then write this prompt. Chatgpt generated domain names with 3 words. Write unique domains prompt for creative and unique domains like these: Ever Vibrant Life, Wholesome Quest, Radiant Healthify, etc. This is how you can find perfect domain names with Chatgpt.